Good afternoon, children. Today we will discuss or continue about state and sovereignty. Okay. Sovereignty is the one of the manpower. We rule the power, manpower. Okay. Every sovereign government, every democratic country, and every democratic country compulsory follow the sovereign power. So the country follow the system, manpower system. So the state first here first for example society. Society is the common one of the every region. Society after the state. The state of the society is common one. Society after state. The state after what formation? Government. Government formation. So the government power mainly constitution power. Constitution. Constitute or constitution. Okay. The constitution under the constitution and sovereignty is two common words. These are two common words. Okay, here the sovereignty. Sovereignty, society is the total whole of the world. Okay, society, it is one group of the peoples. State is the group of people, one of the part. Okay, the society, one of the part is called state. Thus, every state compulsory government is formation. So that is called systemation of the road. State and central. The government also different type of views different type of views. Okay. The government mainly under the control by constitution. Okay. The constitution constitute the every government under the control by the constitution. So the government total under the hard type of system constitution. Constitution after sovereignty. The sovereign power. Okay. Every democratic country under the called sovereign power. Article number 42. Article number 42. 42nd. Okay. In our Indian article number 42nd, one of the new one is emerged. The new one is called secular. Secular is the secular is the constitution, one of the permanent part. Okay, with the people of India, state, Soviet, secular. Okay, Soviet is means they are foreign countries like Russia. So India is Indian peoples, Indian citizen, socialist, secular, and next to democratic republic. Democratic and next to republic of the country. So India is called a secular country. And next to democratic also biggest of the democratic system country. And republic also. So public opinions, public views, public methods, follow the rules and regulations. So these are totally under the 42nd amendment. This is what the 42nd amendment. Amendment means changes of some part changes of the Constitution of India. Some part changes of the Constitution of India. So every democratic country mainly people's only direct ruling of the system. It is called sovereign system. Sovereign system. The sovereign system not only depend on democratic countries. The sovereign system under the democratic country and democratic country side monarch type of system also. Monarch like king also going on the sovereign system. King or queen. So the sovereign system is also mainly permanent part of the state. Okay, the state permanent part. This is called the sovereign system. Sovereignty or sovereign permanent part and ruling, how to ruling of the system. Permanent part and ruling. So it's called sovereign system. Article number 44. What about saying article number 44? Article number 44, like an example. Article number 44. Here, right. Which type of right? The right mainly. Okay, human right. Human right only mainly explained article number 44. Human rights. Okay. Next, sovereignties are totally mainly country to country. The country system is follow the system, democratic system. Okay. The democratic system is also mainly change power of the nations. Total all the power of the nation, sovereign nation. All the power of the nation, sovereign system. All the power of the nation. On the power of the nation, it is the main sovereign nation. So the sovereign power is the man to man, countries to country, state to state. Different methods, different views also there. Man to man, countries to country, and state to state. So here state mainly the state mainly permanent part sovereignty. The sovereignty is also mainly change the government system. For example, Constitution of India. The Indian Constitution mainly sovereign is every political leaders and every political party. The political party views what is main views. The political party views and political party theory. These are totally change of the sovereign system. So the sovereignty is the constitution permanent word. Constitution permanent word. And directly ruling on system, sovereignty system. The sovereignty is also different type of is there. For example, Gaikwad. Gaikwad is one of the Gaikwad sovereignty and Gaikwad sovereignty. This means particularly tribal people, the rural or forest area tribal people. The tribal people mainly follow the ruling and appoint one person. So they follow the ruling and appoint the person. It is called Gaikwad or Gaikwad sovereignty. So different type of views, forest areas, in particular rural areas, and next to tribal regions, tribal forest area. Okay, tribal regions and tribal forest area. The type of the system is called the Gaikwad system. Okay, like shifting agriculture. Agriculture is also one of the part of the Indian political system. Why means political leaders also mainly play a role in agriculture. Agriculture is also one of the old type of economic part. So the sovereign power, every man mainly how to change the changes of the views. The man principles. The man principles and man power. Okay, the power mainly directly ruling of the system. This is called the sovereignty system. Okay, next topic, sovereignty after this part there nation, nationality, nations. Nation already you know. Nation is the, so this is the introduction of the matter. Nation. Nation, it is the already yesterday we will discuss about the nation, and this nation is natas, natio, two Latin words derived from two Latin words. Nation means born. Okay, effect of the born. People's one country level depend. It is called nation. Okay, nation, nationality, nationalism. Nationality, nationalism. Okay, this nation is the one of the which one derived from two words, two Latin words, natus and natio. Natus and natio. These are two which words Latin words. These are the two Latin words. This is called mainly born. So the national feelings. Yesterday we will discuss about state and nation. Nation is one of the part of the state. Okay, all states depend country level, nation wise. So today we will discussing now sovereignty power. The sovereignty power how to depend national wise and state wise. Sovereignty power. The sovereignty power is totally nation and state wise common. Nation and states. Nation and state. Nation and state commonly power the sovereign power commonly there. So it is not no difference. There is no difference. Nation and state. Okay. The nation and state there is no difference and no changes of the political views. The political views also mainly clear explained nation and nationality. So on this system about 4th and 6th centuries. These are centuries mainly they are explained 4th to 6th centuries. Fourth to sixth centuries, these centuries mainly people's feelings. What is main feelings? State feelings, nation feelings. The feelings also mainly pointed. The feelings also mainly ruling of the every democratic country. So here India is the mainly secular, socialist, democratic republic of the country. So secular is also one of the main important of the permanent part of the Constitution of India. So the sovereignty power is also the sovereign power actually already more developed sovereignty power in this century, 4th century. In main which country? South European countries, especially Greece, Rome, Italy. Greece, Rome and Italy. These are countries already developed the sovereignty power. Every democratic country, compulsory the democratic country directly ruling of the sovereign power. The sovereign power is system. The system, the views totally different of the sovereignty power. So sovereignty is also one of the permanent heart of the government. Permanent heart. Heart is compulsory every person, every human. Okay. So sovereignty is also compulsory every state and every government. So government is how to ruling. Government is also mainly permanent permanent part sovereignty, and state also permanent part sovereignty. So sovereignty is not there means so the state is also the meaningless. Okay, sovereignty is the main meaning of the every state and every nation. Every state and every nations. Okay, the state and nations like feelings, different type of countries, different type of states. The way of the system is totally different. Ruling system. The ruling system is also totally different. Like example, the Cope theory. Cope, C-O-P. Cope is one of the geographical scientists. The Cope theory mainly clearly explains latitudes and longitudes. So this Cope theory also mainly sometimes explains sovereignty. Sovereignty means it is family, one of the power, family power and society power and government and socialist and state power. The state is commonly different type of meanings as their state. The states are meanings are different, but powering system is same powering system. Commonly the powering system is same. Okay, so it is called sovereignty power. This sovereignty power is also one of the main important and permanent word of the constitution. In every constitution, American, European, UNESCO, Russia, US, India. So every country permanent word and permanent language of the sovereignty power. In different type of viewers, different type of meanings are there in sovereignty power. Okay, we will discuss and continue the sovereignty power. It is the total all power of the nation. All the power of the nation. So this all the power of the nation and main important of the in this system. Men are women. Any person main important of the in this system and next okay, the sovereign power is the total output of the system. Okay, now we will discuss conclusion. What is the main conclusion about sovereignty? Conclusion about this. Okay, in this chapter we shall study about the state and sovereignty. The state it is commonly word, but the state is in different type of powers are using different type of powers. Government power, sovereignty power, and organizations. Okay, and society. Here different type of parts are there in this state. State is the common one. And next sovereignty. So state and society, state and secular, state and sovereignty. Here meanings are different are there. So different type of scientists, political leaders and political thinkers, different type of explain the sovereignty power. Here way of power is total difference. Okay, but is commonly known as the sovereign power. In every India, every person, every Indian, every person, every citizen compulsory follow the under the rules and regulation system. Okay, so India is a secular, democratic, socialist republic of the country. Secular, democratic, socialist. So, in 42nd amendment under the control by the under the amendment, this is the new word is came for Indian constitution. The new word is called secular. Okay, socialist, democratic also. Socialist and democratic principles. Okay, this is the main important of the conclusion about state and sovereignty and state and society. Okay, students, tomorrow continue in another chapter, new chapter. The chapter name is called nation, nationality and nationalism. Okay, nation, nationality and nationalism. We will discuss tomorrow nation, nationality, nationalism. What is the meaning by nation? Okay, the nation definitions. Okay, this type of political leaders clearly explain nationalism. Okay, how to depend these three words. Is commonly these words are Latin words. Okay, we will discuss tomorrow another new chapter. Chapter 3, nation, nationality and nationalism. Okay, students.